Okay guys, this is Kirk Mirage, and I'm here to show you how you can send just about 10,000 emails each and every day using this software. Now this is how the software will actually look. As you can see, it's a pretty standard software, very simple to use. With this software you will need a third-party hosting account, which I will supply you with that information and all the instructions on how to get your own hosting account to put in to this software. And here is an example of what it looks like: the email address, password, and the settings, something somewhat like Outlook Express. So there's the first set of settings. We're not going to touch that right now. What I will show you is how this software works and how easy it is to operate. When you're done with this setting and you test your connection, it shows that this is successfully verified. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our subject line just like a normal email. Well, first we're gonna input our list first. So we're gonna skip the subject line for now and import our list. Let me show you what my list look like in Excel CSV form. Here's a sample list of my email addresses: first name, last name, city, state, phone number, opt-in information, IP address, etc. The email address is always going to be in the first line. Now what I did here is a small demonstration of how we can personalize the subject and the body of your email. The email address is always in the first line, which is %0. And in a minute you'll know why I put this here, and all these different fields have the percentage sign plus a number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Let's go ahead and load our list into the software. Here we go, and it was being used by me, so let's close it and import again. There we go. Just as it looks in Excel, it looks same exact way here. You can go ahead and take a mental picture of these numbers and where they represent: the first column, second column, third column, and so on. Doesn't matter if this is name and state, or this is state and name, or whatever it is in these columns. The only column that really matters is the first column, which has to be the email address. Now we can go ahead and type our subject line and our body of our email. As you can see, the first name is %1, second name %2, city %3. We can use these numbers to personalize our subject and our body of the emails. So what if I wanted my email subject line to say the first name and the last name of the person, then how are you? Take a look at this number 1, number 2. Number 1 represents first name, number 2 represents last name. So all we have to do is change this to %1, %2. That's it. That will make our subject line Philip Justice, how are you? Now we're going to do the subject. You click settings, and then the subject is right here. Click OK. No attachments or anything like that. Then you go ahead and you type your body of your email, and that you will do in your text field right here, and you can type anything you want. Okay, now let me put an email that I will use soon, and there we go. This is one of my marketing emails that I use, and as you can see dear %1, %2, email marketing made easy, with all my contact information and everything you need to know about the software, with my link also right here. So here we have our subject, here we have our body of the email. Now all we need to do is go ahead and press send all remaining, and we're sending emails. As you can see, it's sending Philip Justice, dear Philip Justice, and that's gonna change in a minute, in actually 2 seconds. So here we go with the other name right now, and you can do this by state, you can do it with names, and you can personalize your emails. Here's my information. You can just go ahead and pause this page. This is my name, my number, email address, and the prices for our email data.